Hello everybody, welcome to UNESCO Heritage 수원화성 Portraits. I'm Kate, your tour guide. Today we are going to walk to the north side of the Portraits. Let's go. This gate is called Hwahongmun, which is the North Water Gate. There are two water gates over the Suwon stream. This is one of them. The name of this water gate, Hwahong, is the rainbow of the Hwaseong Portraits because it has 7 stone arches. Can you see those arches under the pavilion? Especially after the rainy days, the flood out of the 7 stone arches is creating the splash of water. It looks so beautiful. That's why it is selected as the one out of top 8 views of Suwon City. Let's go out of the Portraits through the North Secret Gate. Now we are looking at the night view of the Yongyeon Pond. Nowadays, it is getting more popular to the families and the couples as a romantic picnic site. If you need something for your picnic, there is a rental shop where you borrow anything you will need. I'm sure you will have much more fun with this night view of Yongyeon Pond. This gate is Chang'anmun, which is located in the north side of the Portraits. This is the front gate of the Suwon화성 Portraits, unlike other portraits. Traditionally, the front gate of the Portraits should be located in the south side. Let me tell you the reason for that. The starting point of the King Jeongjo's parade, Changdeokgung, where was the main palace of Joseon dynasty at that time, was located in the north side of the Suwon화성 Portraits. The name of this gate, Chang'an, has 2 special meanings. One is the most glorious capital of China. The other one is the long peace of the people. This is one of the important things that we might assume King Jeongjo's dream behind Suwon화성 Portraits.